I'm James. I'm a tech here at WCA Retail, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about the hardware integration register. One of our customers came to us with concerns about security for their end users. WCA Retail was able to offer them this customized design as a solution. The garage has front and rear panels which keep anybody from having access to the USB ports or from unplugging any cables. We've also integrated handles for easier lifting. The HIR was designed to encapsulate form and function into one easy unit. It puts all your point-of-sale equipment, the PC, keyboard, mouse, receipt printer, and touchscreen display in one spot. This format helps protect against security issues and gives our customer the ease of pulling the register out of the box, putting it on the counter, and plugging it in for use. It's just that simple. Downtime on registers is minimized by the simplicity of the design, allowing you to swap out parts as needed. And don't worry, if the HIR isn't the proper dimensions for your specific unit, the WCA Retail team can work with you to design a solution that is as unique as your business. All these parts will fit seamlessly into the garage. Once on site, a technician can simply remove the entire garage from the box, plug it in, and be ready to go, all of which make your on-site installation even quicker. Now let's place the integrated register into our customized shipping box and get it ready to go. WCA Retail's HIR is a perfect fit for the front line at your retail locations, corporate satellite offices, or any small office. Please contact the WCA Retail team for more information or to place your first order.